Right, last year I wanted to build a rig that was portable enough that if I needed to, I could take my whole setup to studio. And from that, the Fort Knox flight case was born. I built the whole thing from 18mm ply and slapped casters onto the bottom for maximum portability. It was great, so great in fact, that it never left the cabin. Due to evolutionary deficiencies, Stone Age man's use of 18mm ply deemed the asset to be too heavy for transportation. But here we iterate, and so when I was at CAF I got an idea, just buy a flight case. And so I did. Here it is, the Gator, 10x8, designed to carry a mixed desk, racks and a small family of 8. I don't have a mixed desk, I'm not middle class, but I do have aspirations and ideas. The Kemper is the centerpiece of my setup for all guitar related activities, what the USS Enterprise is to Starfleet, and with that I began to decommission the old case and to transfer my equipment over. Fuck off, Bongo Stev. So I set out, acquiring medium density fiberboard, and I traced over the shape of the Kemper. Once I was happy with the shape, I got to chopping. The cut was good, the Kemper fit well. I was surprised that I actually made a decent cut. I was able to use readily available metal corner 90 degrees holder uppers to bolt the Kemper onto the medium density fiberboard cutout using alternative off the books methods to reach the desired fit. Then I spray painted it with some little spray paint to make it look a little bit more middle class. In the meantime, I started to move the equipment over into the Gator case, work out where to put what units and wire everything up. Once the paint had dried, I attached the Kemper onto the cutout and fixed it into the new case, and I have to say, I was pretty surprised at how well it all turned out. So really, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to demonstrate how lightweight and portable the new setup is.
It's heavy.
Shut up. Anyway, that's how I managed to rework my previous setup into a more mobile and lightweight unit. Thank you for watching.